Hey guys, today we're going to work on a 2002 Ford Explorer Sport Trac. I'm going to show you how to replace the door panel. We'll have to remove the door panel and how to replace the door handle on the driver's side. So here we go. Hey guys, so this is our door panel for the Ford Explorer. And the process is very simple. First off, what we're going to do is we're going to take off this bolt right there and this one. There's two right there, two screws. And then there's one right here and one down here, so it's four in total. It's two at the bottom and then two right there as you can see. And then we're gonna use a flathead to remove this little cover. The sizes for those bolts is a 732. Yeah, so you're gonna go with standard. It's a 732. Remove those two. Then I'm gonna show you how to remove this little piece right here, and also we're gonna pop this up, and then we'll be able to take out the door. So let me do that, and then show you. It'll show you guys what else you have. All right, guys. So we removed those four bolts, and let me show you. As you can see, two of them are big and two of them are smaller. The big ones are up here on the top. The two small ones are at the bottom. Just so you won't get those confused. This right here, I just used a flathead. Very simple. Place a flathead here and just popped it. It popped right away. And then I popped the other side. As you can see, it's held by clips. And it's actually on that side and this side. So when you pop it from the side, when you pop it from this side, comes right out. Very easy. And then this up here, it's held by clips. There's one clip there and one clip on this side. What you do is, I came in with a flathead and kind of came in here and then just popped it. I popped this one out, then I popped this one. Now what I'm gonna do, because you still can't remove it, so what you need to do is just release all the clips, and they're very simple. As you can see, they're kind of like a press and pull. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna press and pull. So like for example, this blue one, you're gonna press right here and pull down. I need to use both of my hands for this. Same right here, push right here and pull down. And then for the green one, it's actually on this side. Let me focus. It's on this side for the green one. So you push here and you pull down. So just push and pull down and you'll be able to take this piece. Then let me show you what to do to move on to removing the door panel. My issue is the door handle. I'm gonna fix that, but I'm gonna show you how to remove the door panel. Alright guys, so we took everything off like I mentioned before. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your flathead, just like this one. Come here to the bottom. I already did it a little bit, but just try and squeeze it in there. Yep, and then just pull back. You'll hear a pop. I already popped that one, so just move on to this side, and you're gonna keep popping and popping like that. Once you get 2 or 3 of them, you can then use your hands and kind of like just pop and pop and pop. So let me just show you how it works. It has these clips, and the only way to get them out is by popping. So keep on popping. Some may break, some may not. They sell them at auto parts. They're very cheap, but just keep on popping, and then you're gonna raise the door up once you pop. Oh, there's 3 on this side, there's 3 on the bottom, and 3 on that side. Oh, probably two, and then 3 at the bottom. So all right, let me do that, and I'll show you. Check out the door panel. Like I said before, just pop, 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 and it goes all the way through. There's 1, 2, 3 clips on this side. One right there, and then 2 over there. When you're done, there's a hook here, so you have to pick up the door. You pull it out and you pick up the door. And then you have one connection, which is for the power mirrors, which you're gonna have to use your flathead and kind of pry these things on the side so you can pop it open. This is our door panel right here. And then this is the connection. So as you can see, those clips clip in here. You can take them out. So that's it. It was a very easy process. Please like and subscribe if this helped you. I'm gonna continue into the door handle because my issue is that the door handle is not opening from the inside, so I'm gonna look into that. If I find something recording worthy, I'll record it and I'll follow with this video, but if not, then that's it. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. All right, guys, so I just took off some of the stuff, just pulled that back. I took off some of the little rubbers that are here and stuff. So the issue that I'm having is that the door handle is not working. As you can see, when I pull, it doesn't really make a movement. I have noticed that if I pull this back, it does that clip, and then the door kind of gets in, the handle gets in position, and then it does that. So there's something probably broken in the door handle. I'm gonna remove the door handle. It's one a Phillips screw right here and one right here. So remove those two bolts, those two screws, and this thing will slide to the right and come out. Let me do that and I'll show you what else you have to do. Guys, so after removing the door handle, found out that my door handle was actually broken, so I bought a new one off of eBay. I'm sorry, Amazon. Paid $15 with the Amazon Prime, so it was like a next day delivery or whatever. So this one works fine, doesn't click anymore every time I try and open. So the process to replace it is the same way I removed it, which I didn't really show that, but I'm going to show you right now. As you can see, this little hook, what you're going to do is run it through that hole right there, just like this. Let me show you. Just like this, and then turn it so it's in position now, just like that. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna push in, and what it is this clicks with these little holes right there, clicks into the frame of the door. So just push in and slide to the left, just like that. And I'll put back the bolts, so the screws that you got from here, the Phillips screws. There's one up here and one down here. Before you do that, make sure the door opens, which, yep, now you can see it. I can feel how it's clicking and everything. So there we go. The part was, the dealer had it for $58, but you had to order it because they didn't have it in stock because they don't make them anymore. But eBay had it for $18, between $13 to $18. Amazon, I bought it from Amazon for $15, but it was like a next day shipping. So yeah, I hope this helped you guys. To reinstall everything, just everything but backwards. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like it, share it, and overall please subscribe. We really need subscribers so we can continue making more videos. Thanks.